Welcome to GC Engineering and Technical Drawing. Today we'll be constructing the top view of an assembled single tool post. We've done with the end elevation. If you want to see that video, you can also subscribe to my channel and go to my playlist. You see it there on under assembly drawing. Now today we'll be discussing how to construct the top view. So we'll start by projecting our wedge, which is number 4, upward to hit our center line. So project it to the construction line. So we've done constructing that. Now from our diagram, we find out that the wedge is 18 millimeter long, just to avoid too much lines. If not, you can still project 18 millimeter from here. Once it hits your 45 degrees, then you move towards this place. But we'll measure our 18 millimeter. So measure 9 millimeter upward, 9 millimeter downward, 9 millimeter up, 9 millimeter down. And then we'll project our line using our T-square, an outline. Project it with an outline, first point, and then so we've gotten that. Can also outline this portion here, and then also this portion. So we're done with our wedge. Next thing we'll draw our screw, which is this. So we'll project our ring, number 4, draw our ring, number 3, our ring. So project it upward. Once it hits our vertical line, we'll stop. Our ring is, from our diagram, is 100 millimeter. So we'll pick 20 millimeter as radius, 50 millimeter as radius. Since it's 100 millimeter, place it at our point. Remember that our ring is a circular part. Where it passes through our wedge, we'll make it a broken line. Indicate it with a hidden line that is passing under the wedge, and then you can see it visibly at this point. Now we're done with our ring. Now we'll draw our block, which is number 2. Project our block upward. Project it upward. From our diagram, find that our block is 76 by 76. This is also our block. So you can also project from your left end elevation, or you also measure if you choose to. Then once it hits our 45 degree, we project to our left. Also, we raise the extension part. So we've gotten that. Then we indicate it with you can record that if you are looking from a top view, at this point here will be an outline. Here also will be an outline. This place will be an outline. This also will be an outline. Also project, we're still on our block number 2. Project this up, up. Once it hits 45 degree, we'll project it to our left. Now you can see where it meets their point of their meeting, called the point of the intersection. You outline the portion over there. Now you can see at this point here, you indicate it with the broken line, indicating that it's an image passing through that portion. That way. So we've done with our block, we've done with our wedge, we've done with our ring, and now we'll deal with our screw. Now from our screw, project the top upward, upward. Similarly, we'll come here also to our end elevation. We'll project up, and then where it hits our vertical, our 45 degree, once it hits our center line, indicate it with a point. Here it hits our center line, indicate it with a point. Get the point. Now we discover that this hits our center line here, this hits here, and this hits here. So we'll join it, we'll join those points together. To give us an hexagonal, to give us a square thread at the top. Then the next thing we'll do is that from here we'll project upward this, project this up. Once it hits our center line, open our compass from our midpoint to where it hits. Open our compass from our midpoint to that point, and then we'll draw a circle. An outline, not a construction line, make sure it's an outline. Which we've done that, so erase inside because our wedge is not supposed to show here. So make it an outline better this way. Now you also discover that at the top of our pillar, you can see this point and this point. So you project up, where it hits you indicate it with from our midpoint. Open your compass and then get it to a circle. Also at this point we project upward, where it hits we indicate it also with a circle. an outline. Gotten that. Now also, if you check from our image, you see 63 millimeter. So project 63 millimeter up to hit our horizontal line, our center horizontal line that will indicate it with draw a circle, but it should be a broken line so that indicating that it's an image over there, a hidden image. Which we've done over there. Now at the top of our circle of our knot, you can see that there's going to be a circle here that will be passing through this. Let me correct this point line. Sorry. There's going to be a circle touching that, showing that it's a knot. Make sure you project yours very perfectly. Now I've done with this and this. Now you can find out that for me there's a screw thread. So what you need to do, you project up. Once it hits our horizontal line, we indicate it with a little bit of center line. We'll not complete it so that indicating that it's a thread. Thank you for watching. I still remain JC Engineering and Technical Drawing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel. Make sure you look at the image very well. Take notice of everything that is being done, and then when you are constructing yours, make sure you are very accurate. Remember to give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and do have a blessed day ahead.